Did you make a jack-o'-lantern tonight? Yeah? Where is it? It's hiding?
Yeah, it's a present.
Okay, do you want to go find it?
No.
Why?
It's scary.
Show me, I want to see it.
It's scary.
It's scary? Is it going to make me run away?
Uh-huh.
Come on, I want to see it. Show me where it is. Okay, we'll tiptoe. Come on. Come on. Where is it? It's in here? Okay. Okay. Open the door. It's so scary!
It's just a little bit.
Just a little bit scary. So you made that, huh?
Yeah.
Very pretty. Good job. Look at me. Smile. Ooh, very pretty.
Scary.
I know it is. It's all scary.
Run away!
Okay, run away. Oh, we're safe.